Welcome to the Midwest Dial Tone training sessions. In this video, we will be going over the basic features of the T46 desk phone. To make a call, you can either lift the handset or press speakerphone, dial the number, and press the call button. To call an extension, press the program button of the extension you wish to call, or pick up the handset or press speakerphone and dial the extension and press the call button. While in a call, press the conference button and that caller will be placed on hold. You can press a programmed button or enter the number and press the call button to add a second caller. Press the conference button again and all parties are in the conversation. Press the redial button to bring up a list of recently called numbers. Use the up or down arrows to select and then press the call button. To redial the last number dialed, press the redial button twice. Hold is personal and does not allow the line to be picked up by anyone else. While in a call, press the hold button to place the call on hold. Press the hold button again to resume the call. Park is public and will allow others to pick up the line. While in a call, press the park button to park the call. Press the same park button from any phone to pick the call back up again. While in a call, press the program button of the extension you wish to transfer to and hang up, or press the transfer button and dial the extension, then press the B transfer button and hang up. While in a call, press the transfer button and dial the extension. Then press the call button. When the person answers, announce the call and hang up. While in a call, press the transfer button, dial the extension and star, then press the call button and hang up. Press the message button to access and listen to your voicemail. The first time you access voicemail, it will ask you for a password. The default password is your extension number. Enter your extension number followed by the pound sign. Now it will begin a tutorial walking you step by step on recording your greeting and setting your new custom password. Please note that your new password cannot be the default password, and it also has to be a minimum of 4 digits. To silence your ringer and send all calls directly to voicemail, press the D&D button. A red circle with a line will be present on the top of your screen when it is active. Press the D&D button again to turn it off. To make an announcement that plays over the phone speakers, press the page button and say your page, then hang up. The volume button adjusts the ringer, speakerphone, and handset levels. To adjust the ringer volume while the phone is idle, press the plus or minus to raise or lower the volume. Press the speakerphone button and press plus or minus to raise or lower the speakerphone volume. Or lift the handset and press the plus or minus to adjust the handset volume. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful. For even more information, you can visit our website at midwestdialtone.com. To see additional training videos, go to Customer Resources.